What's going on, guys? Drama here for another episode of Pinoy Style 101. Today I'm gonna show you how to change Huawei's owner band for icons from Chinese to English. So first, disconnect the owner band 4 and go to your phone's settings. Under settings, type in language and go to language and region. iPhone language should be English US and the region should be changed from Philippines to United States, or from whatever country you're using, choose United States and hit continue. Changing the region will also change some of the settings on the phone, so just to make sure, check your calendar and the temperature unit. After this, we're just gonna have to go back to Huawei Health app and go to the option of the owner band 4 and pair again to the device. I apologize for clicking the wrong icons, guys. I just got this band an hour by the time I was making the video. Once connected, just click OK. You can now go ahead and verify if the language has been changed on the band's icons. So for my Filipino subscribers, gagawa ako ng video unboxing and walkthrough of the Huawei Honor Band 4 in Tagalog. So guys, abangan nyo to. If you like this video, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Once again, Drama here from Pinoy Style 101. I'll see you on the next clip.